Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you in today's newspaper, the person of the year, Taylor Swift. Here, let me show you. Taylor Swift has won a Grammy together with Celine Dion. Two beautiful women won the Grammys. Alright. Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku number 7948. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 1 star, 2 stars, or a 3 star? For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Here a single box, there a single box, and here a single box. Always a 1. Alright. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about the quadruple boxes then? I see here a quadruple box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadruple box should be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadruple box. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this quadruple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. More quadruple boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 of them. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 or a 4 here. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Well, we have more. This one is also the same but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box in this quarter box should be a 3. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. I think. Oh no, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for the number 4. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be 5, this box can be 1, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes, wait, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can, oh, we already have a 2 here. Alright, let me see, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Okay, this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If we place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay, then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright, this box can be 3, this box can be 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, and now let me think. Well. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 and 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box. Wait. Come on. This box gave me 3, so 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. And these are 3 boxes. Round 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Cannot be 8 3 stars. Cannot be 8 2 stars. Cannot be a 1 star. Well, I'm faster than 40 minutes. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.